do the questions lah I have prepared. So, okay, for conics here, basically you just have to remember the equation and you'll be fine with analytical geometry, right? So we have the parabola. Parabola is basically just this here, here, and then the directrix here. Okay. So the equation for this is usually minus k2 here goes to 4a x minus h. Just remember, for me, just remember the equation, and then you'll be okay with. Okay. So then we have the ellipse. So ellipse, so something like that. Then we have this a squared plus y minus k 2b squared equals to 1. Make sure it equals to 1, all right? Then after that, hyperbola. Hyperbola is basic. Oh, that's not hyperbola. Hyperbola is basically parabola's brother. It just have 2 here. Then we have the directrix here. All right. So this make sure it's also equals to 1, but instead this is positive, right? The ellipse is just now is positive. Make sure the next one is negative. If you're dealing with a hyperbola, it is negative. All right. Just remember the equation, and you should be fine with this. Then next is parametric. Parametric is just it will include like x equals to 1 plus t, and y squared is equals to t plus minus 1. So parametric is just about this, where you just have to solve the t, right? Make sure the t is alone. For example, I think I have a question on this. I just have to find it. Okay, right here. So the question I have here is x is equals to t squared plus 1, right? But I have to make this into a conic equation. So what I do here is I make sure the t is alone. So how I do that, I first take y here. So t is equals to y over 2. Then here I can substitute it in. So x is equals to y over 2 squared, then plus 1. Yeah. Then after that, just make sure everything goes in. So y squared and 4, not 4 immediately. 2 plus 1. Then after that, once you have this, wait. Oh, I see. So basically, after this, 2, make sure, okay, I'll just swap this out. This is 4. Okay. And then after that, just solve it like usual. Instead, y in conic, y is very important. Y and x are equally important, but pay attention to y, because if it has equal, like x is squared, it'll be like either one of the two, the parabola or the hyperbola or the ellipse. But if x has no exponent, it'll be parabola, confirm, 100%. So that's why pay more attention to this lah, to y. So it will become like this, -1, and x is -1 times 4. Sorry, times 4. So y squared here. Then after that, once you get that, now see how parabola's equation is similar to this what I have right now. Y squared is equals to 4x 4x minus 1. So usually you have a here, but instead the a we have nothing. So we can just safely assume a is 1. 1 here. Right? So the parabola, if you sketch it, parabola is like this. Have the directrix here. A is equals to -1. Then right here, this right here is, oh no, it's actually the directrix as well. But here is, remember, a is -1. This is a equals to 1, right? So then after that, you have the what do you call this? The focus as well. But the focus, if I'm not wrong, to find the focus, I have to redo this. Focal length is basically ah, focal length is basically just what is it? Oh, it's just oh no, it's just this. So if this plus one, so it's here. Okay, right. I think that's it for conics. Conics and parametrics. This is my question, my exam question for trial one. Okay, my school has like trial one and trial two. This is my question for trial one. Okay, this is based on parametrics lah. So I think that's it for today's session because I think I have like only a few minutes, but a few minutes won't explain vector. Vector has a lot of things you have to consider, but instead, what I have for you guys is this. Where is it? I have to find it right here. This is my Google Drive where I have these two vector questions. I'll just show you guys. For example, this is like two planes equation, okay? And then we have one more which is pyramid. Basically, we have the pyramid like how to say this? It's not really pyramid. It's actually rectangle, but it has one goes up. So, for example, I'll just show you guys here. So, for example, like this is ABCD, right? ABCD. Then we have one. Imagine the pyramid is going up. So this is F, right? So I cannot really explain vector, like I said, because I am running out of time. But I hope you guys are gonna do well in the preparation for semester one, and I hope my session with you guys is able to help you guys with some questions that help deepen your understanding in certain topics. And I think that's it for today's session. I'm open to any last questions that you guys might want to ask me. And yeah, if you have any questions, just chat in the text box or you can open your mic. It's okay. All right. I think the question I'll leave it open until 10:35. Right. If you have any questions, just ask. Right. Maybe you don't understand a certain topic or you have like exam question, you have like trial question you want to ask about. Maybe I'll try to help where I can because I myself am not that good in mathematics. I just understand it more. Because if you understand the topic a lot more, if you understand the fundamentals of mathematics D, you'll get through mathematics really easy. You just have to understand it. Like understand the fundamentals of, for example, complex numbers or those other things lah. So today's session is actually pretty much done for today. So, any last questions you guys might want to ask me? If not, I'll just end the call. You can open your mic or you can just type in the text box. Either both is okay. And I have the Google. I got a ton of questions. Of course you can. Of course you can. Wait a second, yeah. Think drive here. Eh, where's the link?